So guys, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Now, before I do analysis on our Euro USD, I want you to go. I've done a video on our DXY. I explain, so you'll be able to have an understanding on where our index will be going. So where our index will be going, you'll be able to understand it. So if you can see where I predicted that our USD will be going bullish, while any pair related to it will actually be falling. Now let's analyze our Euro for today. Let's see where our price will be moving for today and possibly tomorrow. That's exactly what will be going. Now I'm on my 4-hour time frame. As we can mark it as our price is still ranging on our 4-hour time frame, we can mark it as support. We see support here, we see support here, we saw support here, our price is pushing up, and we actually mark here, you see, as our resistance. I want you to get the full picture that this week our euro will actually be dropping. We are aiming for our euro to actually drop to this our area here. That's exactly what we are aiming at on our daily time frame, because our index will be going bullish, our USD will be going bullish today to close bullish this week, but any pair relating to it will actually be falling. But now we want to analyze our movement for only today. That's why we'll go on our 4-hour time frame. So I want you to still actually trade what you see and not what you think. That is one rule of trading. Do not trade what you think, but actually trade what you see. So probably, possibly, when our price hits this our support for today only that I'm talking about, so not tomorrow, for today, when our price is our support, I want you to take your buy straight upward to straight to this our resistance, because we can sit on our 4-hour time frame, our price is still actually ranging in this area. So I want us to actually range with the price. So if possible you want to take your buy now, it is still actually not bad. You can actually take your buy position straight upward, close it at our resistance level. When you wait our price get to our resistance, pushes up to our resistance, then you can actually not sell. At least that would be a better way to actually sell your position. And if our price just goes down, it breaks below this support, then definitely you can actually still take your sell, because above all we are aiming to sell down. We are aiming to close around this our area here this week. That's exactly where we are aiming to close. But for today, let's try and see our price plays out. When it hits our support, then we should actually take a buy position straight toward upward. And if it possibly changes course and it pushes up, then we should actually not take our sell position straight down to our support area. So thank you. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much.